We are at the K6 facility of Triumph Aerostructures. This is the plant that mills and forms the skins for the 747 and 767 aircraft. This facility currently has 4 skin mills, 3 Cincinnati profilers, 5-axis 3-spindle, and 1 PM11 S&K dual-head skin mill. These machine tools are very, very old, 1970s, 1980s variations. These machines' processing time, the average skins they could do were between 12 and 20 hours per skin. After the machines were retrofitted with FANUC 30 series controls in 2015, we basically cut the time in half. In our case, what we come in and do is we remove pretty much everything electrical and install all new electrical components. There are 10 servos on this machine, one A200 on this side, one A200 on this side. They are synchronized through the FANUC synchronization system. They generally track each other within microns. It also has 2 serial spindles. Since we put the serial spindles, a lot of the issues they used to have with rattling of gears is gone. The old spindles were shaking so bad that they would actually cause marks on the part. When the serial spindles went in, it was eliminated, the problem went away. This plant, which has a substantial amount of power bumps, they were scrapping about 12 parts a year. One of the selling features of FANUC was the power fail backup system, which allows the machine to pull itself off in case they have a power fail. The old controls, when a power bump would happen, the machines would literally just shut off. And if it dropped more than 5 thousandths, it would literally scrap a 40-foot piece of aluminum that may be substantially cost $20,000 by the time the processing it got to this machine. Since the FANUCs have been put in and the FANUC servo systems have been put in, they have not lost a part since. And then the 5-axis features, we put in, of course, TCP, workpiece setting error. This machine on the Y-axis bridge actually had a pretty substantial droop in it, and they were using shadow map to try to comp it out. Unfortunately, it changes as the heads move. So what we incorporated was what we call interpolated straightness comp, and we actually comped out the Y-axis so they're parallel to the table. I'm trying to stick with FANUC now because FANUC is a solid platform. I install and I forget. I don't have to come back. I don't have to worry about it breaking down. FANUC's record of being able to support controls that are 20, 30, 40 years old, they can still get you parts. Whereas if you stay with the old controls, the companies themselves are out of business. They're gone. It's my primary control. I always recommend FANUC.